Hi, this is a narrative for operating the magical EAS system. Once a week or once a month, you will be doing this. You'll be alerted through paper that will come out of here, and when you have to do one, you will begin by pressing password. And then you will have all this other stuff light up, and they'll ask you for our password, which is 915, like 91.5. You will select an event. We're going to go ahead and do a monthly test. Whoops, okay, we'll do a weekly test. We will do a weekly test. It will press that, and you will get a red button telling you to confirm that that's what you want to do. So we'll press that, and you'll see a message that says enter duration, and you'll get an amount of time that you don't really need to worry about, but you'll get another red button to press which is ready, and it will ask you to send the header, which is the beginning tones that you hear when you hear it on TV or on the radio, and we're going to do that now. Whatever you're broadcasting on the air will stop while this goes through, and you'll be asked to send the rest of the message, which will be the lowest button, and it will transmit the last 3 tones. And you are done. It's really that simple. You will get a printed out message from the printer at the end telling you that you've transmitted it, and then you will take that and you will place it into the handy dandy transmitter log. You can staple it or tape it, and you might want to just go ahead and make a note in the comments section that you performed the EAS test at what time and what date, and just initial it. When you've been notified that you have an EAS test, you will go into Quick Picks, and under FCC, you'll click on there and you'll see a number of options. You have EAS Test Intro and EAS Test Part 2. So you'll click on both of those. As you begin your test, you'll play the intro, and you'll go ahead and pot down whatever it is that you're playing. The EAS test itself will break into whatever you're broadcasting, and you'll hear that tone. And when you have pressed the Send Voice/EOM button, you'll then go ahead and play your outro.